This is why you lose money trading cryptos. It's simple. You don't know what trade orders are and you don't know how to use them. If you know how to use them, maybe you can start making some profit trading. For example, the trailing stop order allows you to lock in your profits and also not to exit a trade too early to get the maximum profits from that trade. If you've not been using it, maybe the exchange you trade with does not have that option. The first cryptocurrency exchange to have the trading order type is OKX, and I made a video explaining this some time ago. There are factors that helps a trader trade profitably, but today I'll be tackling trade orders so you get to understand what they are and use them and stop losing money trading. OKX has more trading order types than any other exchange. I'll be using it for demonstration and you get to know why it is better. If you don't have an OKX account, simply sign up using my link in the description. When you do that, I can see you and every other person that signed up in my OKX dashboard, and I can communicate with you within the app and send you signals from within the app. So make sure you use the link in the description to sign up if you don't have an account already. There are 7 order types and they include limit order, market order, stop limit order, OCO, trailing order type, trigger order, and advanced limit order. I will explain this one after the other, but the order type you will use depend on the condition of the market, your trading strategy, and your risk management. During the course of this video, you hear me use the word market price a lot. It is simply the current price of a cryptocurrency asset. Now let's get started. Limit order type is used to buy or sell a coin at the market price, buy below the market price, or sell above the market price. In other words, it is used to buy and sell at the price that you choose. Let's say the price of Bitcoin is $20,500 and I want to buy at $20,000. I will use the limit order type to place my order. When Bitcoin drops to $20,000, my order will automatically be executed. I can also use it to place a sell order at $21,000. When Bitcoin rises to that price, my order will also be filled, making me a profit of 5%. The market order type is used to buy or sell a coin at the best price available in the market. Let's say I want to buy 25 BTC and the market price is 20,500, but it's only 10 BTC that is available at that price. The next price, which is 20,550, has 8 BTC, then 7 BTC at 20,551, and so on. If I use the market order type, it will buy 10 BTC at 20,500, then 8 BTC at 20,550, and 7 BTC at 20,551, making it a total of 25 BTC. If I had used the limit order, it will buy 10 BTC at 20,500 and wait for someone to come and sell the remaining 15 BTC to me at 20,500, which might not happen immediately. Stop limit order type is used to buy a coin above the market price or sell a coin below the market price. Now the question you should be asking now is, why will I want to buy a coin above the market price or sell below the market price? Remember that when trading, we want to buy low and sell high so we can make some profits. So why the opposite? Now the strategy here is that we want to sell low and buy lower, or buy high and sell higher. Let me explain. Let's say the price of Bitcoin is 20,500. Then you did your technical analysis and came up with the conclusion that BTC would either go up or go down. If it starts going up and crosses 20,700, it will keep on going until it gets to 22,000. With this, you can use a stop limit order to place your order, let's say at 20,710, with the intention of selling at 22,000. You can apply this same strategy for when it is going down. For the OCO order, you can find it in the TPSL in the app or stop in the web version. It means one cancel the order. It is a combination of the limit order and the stop limit order. Maybe you should give it a minute here to think about it. You can actually pause this video and think about it. Again, it is a combination of the limit order and the stop limit order. If the limit order happens first, the stop limit will cancel. If the stop limit executes first, the limit order will cancel. Let's say the price of Bitcoin is $20,500. Yes, and you did technical analysis and came to the conclusion that Bitcoin can either go up or go down. That if it goes down, it will touch $19,000 before going up. But if it goes up and crosses 20,700, it will continue going till it gets to 22,000. How will you place this trade? You will use the OCO order type. You will use limit order to set a buy at $19,000 and use stop limit to set a buy at 20,700. Whichever happens first, the other one will cancel. Let me also show you guys how to do this in the app. So if you open OKX and go to trade here, so the market I'm looking at is BTC USDT, and if you click on here where it says limit order, you can see the different order type. If you click on TPSL, right, you can now see conditional. Click on it, you see OCO. You click on OCO. So for this one, let's say the price, the trigger price I want is 20,700 and I want to buy at 20,750, right? Or I believe it's going to go down and I want to say the trigger price can be $19,000. I want to buy at say 18,999, right? Then I can enter the amount I want to use to buy here and click on buy. So whichever the market goes, according to my analysis, this will be executed. I can also click here or click here, this market you see here, so that at 20,700 it will buy at the market price, or at 19,000 it will buy at the market price. So whichever happens first, the other one will cancel. The trading order is used to sell at the highest price possible before the market changes direction, or buy at the lowest price possible before the market changes direction. Let's say you already bought BTC and the current market price is $20,500. Yes, you're actually following. And you want to sell at 21,000 because that's what your analysis says. You can use a limit order to sell at 21,000, but what if your order gets filled and the price keeps going up and gets to $22,000? If this happens, you will feel that you missed, that you exited the trade too early. What you could have done is to use the trading order type. So instead of your order filling at $21,000, your limit will keep moving up as the price increases and only sell when the price begins to drop. So you will end up selling at maybe 21,950 instead of 21,000, making you more profits. You can also use this when you want to buy at a very low price. I did a full dedicated video on how to use the trading order type on OKX. I'll leave the link in the description. For trigger order, it is used to activate a limit order at a defined price. We can call it a delayed limit order. The difference between a trigger order and a limit order is that once you place a limit order, your money will be locked in the order book. But with trigger order, your money will not enter the order book until the trigger order price is reached. For advanced limit order type, this is limit order but with more option. It is particularly useful if you're trading a large order size. Very few exchanges have this option, and OKX is the first. The options here include post only. This ensures that you are the maker in the order book. As a maker, you might earn transaction fee instead of paying it if you are trading a really large order size. The next is fill or kill. With this, all your order will be filled at once or it will be cancelled. Say you want to buy 300 BTC. If it is not all available in the order book, your order would be cancelled. The next is immediate or cancel. Here, your orders that cannot be filled immediately are cancelled. Now, trading orders help us to implement our trading strategies. so that we can go ahead with our lives doing other things. Instead of looking at our charts all day, you can set an alert, and once that order is executed, you'll be notified. If you know how to effectively use trade orders, you are going to be very profitable trading. As I said earlier, I noticed that OKX allows you to create groups within the app so that anybody that uses the link to sign up, you can communicate with them and give them signals. So make sure you use my link to sign up. The link is in the description. Once you do that, I can communicate with you within the app. If you want to dig deeper into trailing order type and how to use them, then watch this next video.